Hi ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to Malik Shazai from Tutorials Factory. Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you how can you uninstall your WordPress from the cpanel from your domain. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, write your domain here, then write cpanel, then press enter. After that you have to log into your cpanel. Next you have to search here install, click on this icon. After that you can see these there are one installations and that is WordPress. Click on this installations button and you can see the WordPress has been installed on this website. So what I have to do is click on this remove icon, and then you will be asked, do you want to remove your WordPress from this site? Yeah, I want to remove installation. Click on remove installation. Yeah, I want, these actions are irreversible. Click on OK. And congratulations, your WordPress has been removed from your site. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Tutorials Factory.